Okay, in this video we're going to show PostTrans for Xero importing a CSV file with payments with inclusive of VAT. So basically we're giving it a list of transactions inclusive of VAT, so it's going to work everything backwards, so there'll be no rounding issues, fingers crossed, and basically allocate a payment against those invoices to a particular bank account. So here's my text file currently. You see here we've got a load of headings which we won't see when we import it because they're ignored, but there's various settings. It's worth pointing out that if you go to the training section of our website, there is a video on how this was all created and how to do it. This is just a demo of it in action. So let's go to my examples. Of course, you could have saved this template to your desktop. So you just double click on it and open it within Excel. And there it opens. And I've left some data in. I'm just going to press the clear button to clear all that data out. And that's probably what you would have saved it as. All set up. There's some defaults up there. In order to put a payment in, the transaction has to be authorized. And of course, you have to specify a bank account. So down here we've got a series of columns that denote what the data is. That would probably be nicely hidden, so it would look like that. And the user would just go in and press the nice file button up here, and we can set where we want and types of files, and we can run things before we press that button and see the files. So quite a lot of options if you watch that video. I'm just going to double click on the one file, and now that's brought that in. Now, one thing it has done, if we look at the original file, is, if we can pull it up, is if we look in here, it's only got an S and a 1 in it. So S is the south or north cost center or department, which we're using tracking in Xero to track that. And the tax code is a 1, or I believe there's a 0 here and all that sort of business. So what we've actually done in the template is we've introduced standard Excel formula to translate these two values here into values that Xero likes. There's my tracking. So I've got north or south there, and there's my VAT name based on either 0 or 1. Like I say, this the video in the training section tells you all about how to create this and how it works, but effectively PostTrans stores the formula and always maintains it. So you can do quite a lot of data manipulation when bringing in a file, and it's validated on the screen. It's not like a CSV importer that you chuck it a file and it comes back with a load of errors listed, you know, file line 53 has so-and-so error, and you go, oh my god, where's line 53, and it's over there, and oh my god, did I delete a comma or did I not? Oh Jesus, none of that. It's all on the spreadsheet. So now all we do is press import, and it's given me a nice confirmation window here. This can be turned off in the settings. Breakdown of all the tax, and when I'm happy with the way the system works, I can just say don't ask again, just get on with it please. In fact, this example here also updates any new contacts, so customers and suppliers can be updated within the template. And if I just double click on one of those references, it's written down the left hand side, we should be able to see, I think they appear in the paid section because they are actually paid. There we go, 71, 73. Let's just double click on 73, which is the it's the third line down. Yeah, there we can see £120, blah, 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 account, region, south, and well, yeah, 20% tax. Oh no, it is exempt of tax because it was the third line down. It's the one that we applied the exemption for tax. But yeah, very powerful. You can use formula or macros or VBA or any of those wonderful, fantastic features of Excel that we all love to manipulate the data before bringing it in.